Hello everyone. In this video I am doing one multidisciplinary activity. Short name is MD activity for class 10th. This activity's name is collect data of air quality index of top 10 polluted cities of India for the year 2020-21 and draw its graph. This activity can be used for any class, but particularly here I have mentioned it for class 10th. So I have collected the data from reliable sources through internet. This is the data, serial number, this is the Indian city, and this is air quality index. Air quality index unit is ppm, parts per million. So here Bhiwadi, it is in Rajasthan, it is 106.2 parts per million. Ghaziabad in UP 102 ppm. Delhi 96.4 ppm. Jaunpur in UP 95.3 ppm. Faisalabad in Punjab 94.2 ppm. Bagpat in UP 89.1 ppm. Hisar in Haryana 89 ppm. Faridabad in Haryana 88.9 ppm parts per million. Greater Noida in UP 87.5 ppm, and in Rohtak, Haryana, it was 86.9 ppm. Now your first work is to draw this table on some sheet of paper. This activity is basically a portfolio activity. So the first page will be of this table. Now you need to draw the graph on the graph paper, and later on that graph paper is to be pasted on A4 sheet, and later it is to be put into the portfolio file. The graph can be drawn with lead pencil or for decoration purpose, and to keep it in portfolio you may take some colored sketches, but not more than 2 colored sketches, right? So let's take the graph paper and draw the horizontal line, that is x-axis. So I am drawing here x-axis. This is x-axis, and we need to draw the vertical line and to name it as y-axis. So this line will be named as y-axis. The point at which x-axis and y-axis meet each other, that is called as origin. Now here we need to represent the cities, like after 10 division, one dark mark here. Here we will represent the cities. These are the dark marks this way. So here what we will represent, Indian cities. Indian cities. Along x-axis we will represent the Indian cities, and along y-axis we will represent AQI, air quality index, and the unit is ppm. Now the names of the cities which we have taken are to be mentioned. You can name them like this. You may rotate the graph. Here this is Bhiwadi, Bhiwadi. Bhiwadi. You need not to write the name of the state here, as you have mentioned it in the table. Here Ghaziabad. Ghaziabad is in UP. Next is Delhi. The next is Jaunpur, and Jaunpur, as I have mentioned in the table, it is in UP. The next is Faisalabad, it is in Punjab. Faisalabad. The next is Bagpat. Bagpat is in UP. Then next is Hisar, it is in Haryana. Hisar. Next is Faridabad, that is in Haryana. Faridabad. Then next is Greater Noida. I am writing here G Noida. It is in UP. And Rohtak. ROHTAK, Rohtak. Right? Now let's represent the data of these all Indian cities. Bhiwadi's air quality index is 106.2. First of all, you check and find the minimum air quality index. Here you can see the minimum air quality index is in the ranges 80s, right? So here we can show this way kink, right? Now after kink we can take small intervals like these are starting from 86 point something. So you can take here 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 102, this is 104, 106, 108, 110. Up to here you can take. Now your first work is to write scale. So scale, how you are taking? Along x-axis we are taking cities, so need not to mention. Along y-axis, one big division we are taking a gap of 2, so it is 2 ppm, 2 parts per million, and one small division will be equal to 2 upon 10, that is 0.2 ppm. तो एक स्मॉल डिवीजन जो है वो 0.2 के बराबर मानी जाएगी, राइट? सो दिस इज द स्केल दैट यू आर टू राइट. नाउ 106.2 इज फॉर भिवाड़ी. दिस इज भिवाड़ी. सो 106.2, तो आप सर्च करो 106 कहाँ है, ये 106 है, राइट? नाउ 0.2, तो 0.2 इज द नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट डिवीजन आफ्टर 106, this one. So I have marked a dot on 106.2. After 106, the next first division. Ghaziabad is 102. This is Ghaziabad. So where is written 102? This one. And preferably keep on joining side by side so that later on you do not forget which dot you have taken first. So we have joined two. Delhi is 96.4. This is Delhi, 96. After 96, 2 divisions more. This is Delhi. ये है, this is Delhi 96.4. So you will draw this and join. This is 96.4. Keep on darkening this because later on you are to write the coordinates also. Now Jaunpur is 95.3. This is Jaunpur. 95 is between 94 and 96. This is 95. So next division is 95.2. So on this division means after 94, sixth division you will mark a dot. 94 के बाद sixth division के ऊपर आप dot mark करोगे and you will join it. The next is 94.2 for Faisalabad. तो 94 इज दिस, तो ये 94 के बाद नेक्स्ट डिवीजन जो है 94.2 मानी जाएगी. सो 94.2 यू विल ज्वाइन दिस वे. दिस डॉट्स आई एम डार्कनिंग साइड बाय साइड. देन 89.1 फॉर बागपत यूपी. 89.1 कहां आएगा 89? दिस बिटवीन 88 एंड 90, दिस 80, this is 89 and 0.1 means after 88 sixth division. 88 के बाद sixth division जो है वो 89.1 होगी. नेक्स्ट इज हिसार 89. ये हिसार है 89. यहां पे दिस वन बिटवीन 88 एंड 90. and you will join it also this way. Next is Faridabad 88.9. 88.9 means 89 only. So Hisar, already you have taken this 89. Faridabad is 88.9. 88.9 का मीनिंग है 89. So this is for Faridabad. 88.9 means 89. So you need to join it also. Next is Greater Noida 87.5. तो 86 और 88 के बीच में 87 है, उसके बाद दो डिविजन्स आगे, मीन्स आफ्टर 86 7th division. You may mark on 7th or 8th division, it is totally same. So after 87 either 2nd division or 3rd division, 87.5. Rohtak is 86.9. So this is 86.9. So this middle division is 87. Right? 86.9 means 87. You can take this one and join it. So this we have drawn the linear graph. Now we need to write the coordinates. Bhiwadi, this one. Here I will write Bhiwadi and comma. This is 106.2 in the bracket. Next is Ghaziabad. This is Ghaziabad, comma. This is 102. Next is this Delhi, 96.4. Next is Jaunpur. This is Jaunpur. Jaunpur is 95.3 in the bracket. 95.3. Next is Faisalabad. Faisalabad is in Punjab and it is 94.2 in the bracket. Next is Bagpat. This is Bagpat and Bagpat's air quality index was 89.1. So next is Hisar in Haryana. Hisar, the air quality index is 89. Next is Faridabad. Faridabad's air quality index is 88.9. Next is Greater Noida. I will write in short form GN Greater या G Noida. This is 87.5. And next is Rohtak. This is 86.9. Right? So this we have drawn the linear graph of 10 polluted cities of India, air quality index of 10 polluted cities of India. Now your next work is to tear off this graph from the graph paper and cut its extra boundaries. Whatsoever is the extra boundary, that you can tear it off, and then you need to take one sheet, white sheet of A4 size, and then you need to paste this graph on the A4 size sheet. So I have taken one A4 size sheet. You can take any adhesive material and then apply it at the back of the graph paper. And then paste that on the white sheet of paper. And this is pasted. Here you can write on it that this is MD activity multidisciplinary activity of class 10th for the subject maths. You may decorate these sides well so that while keeping in the portfolio file, it appears decorative and appealing. You know, the portfolio is evaluative. Marks are avoided for the portfolio. So whatsoever the activities you are keeping in the portfolio should be appealing and nicely done. I hope you have understood this multidisciplinary activity. If you have liked the activity, do like, do comment and share the link of the channel with maximum. And if you want to get more updates in future, do subscribe the channel. Thank you.